şeyini görmedik internette. Propaganda yapılmazsın. Dur.
Sen çek abi. Ha? Benim telefonu unutmuşum evde, yoksa ben sana veririm.
نص ساعة نص ساعة لا مش راح نروح لو عارف الله يجاوب You're right مش محتاج
Takım işlerinde herkese her şeyi yapacağız. Bir şey yapacağız. Onlarla alakası yok. Çünkü siz birilerine para vereceksiniz. Adamlar yapamıyor. 5 kişiyiz zaten. Onun için olur. 5 kişi ama ben değil de onu çekeceğim. Ahmet çeker diyorsun. Yok Ahmet çeker. Benim telefonum. Do you mind to tell me what happened in the video a little bit? I'm gonna post it. I'm gonna face it to you. You tell us what is this.
Yeah,
Bir şey yok ama ya.
the country is East Turkestan is invaded by China end of 1949. Since that date, we're suffering a lot of oppression from Chinese government, and like recently, it's been like 2 years now. They create. It's been like a long time ago. They had been concentration camps as well, but recent years they extended like all over the East Turkestan, and they built so many concentration camps, and now according to the news, it's been like over 3 million people in the concentration camps. So like they are trying to erase us from the land, and we belong to that land, that it's not the Chinese people. And every year they putting so many people in jail, and they killing people without no reason, without taking any law, or like they putting in the mahkama, the court. Like so many people missing. I can't talk my family. It's been 3 years. It's my all information is cut off.
There is no communication.
No communication. It's been like I don't know my family, what happened then.
Yeah.
It's been 3 years now. I can't talk to my brothers, my sisters, and my dad, my mom, and we can't talk to them. Like we can't communicate.
So who's the Chinese government doing this, or rebel?
Chinese government.
Chinese government.
Yes.
Wow.
Because our country it's invaded by China.
Okay.
So it's like a Palestine.
So just
it's
because
worse than
they are
Palestine.
Muslim, basically.
Yeah, we're all Turk people,
Yeah.
Turkish people.
Yeah.
Same as people in Turkey.
Yeah.
Same nation.
Yeah.
We speak the same language.
But just part of China.
But it's invaded. Now on the map you see it's part of China, but we're not part of China. We're not Chinese.
It's kind of colonized.
Yeah, colonized, and yeah.
Okay. Thanks so much.
Yeah,
brother.
thank you, brother.
We pray for this country and for this our brothers. Everything goes well, inshallah. We
Yeah,
will do our
inshallah.
part,
Inshallah.
our voice, and whatever we offer, inshallah. We
Yeah,
pray for
inshallah.
them.
Jazakumullah, brother. Thank you.
So this is their flag.
Yeah, this is our flag. Yeah. It's similar to Turkish flag, but this is blue.
It's similar to very similar to Somali flag.
The Somali flag, but
Yeah.
Somali only star.
It always start no moon.
No moon, yeah, no
Yeah.
crescent. We have a crescent.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Beautiful. Inshallah, everything is good. The Turkish people are
They bring them by force and then dancing has to do it. If not,
they're gonna kill them. And then this is mihrab, brother. Masjid of mihrab al-masjid. Here's the Chinese flag. Why? They need it by force. Just we need your dua, inshallah, for them. Jazakumullah khair. We need your dua, inshallah, for your brothers and sisters. Don't forget in your dua, in tahajjud, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. And you need, of course, if as much as you can, if you have some voice, inshallah, in the government, in MLA or MP, we will be appreciated with that. Jazakumullah khair. Thank you, brothers. Yes. Jazakumullah khair. We need your dua, inshallah, for brothers and sisters in Turkistan and under occupation by China. The Chinese government killing them and putting them, like millions of them, in concentration camp. Yes. Uyghur Muslims in East Turkestan. We need your dua, inshallah, and your voice in the government, inshallah. Please, please, and help. Jazakumullah khair, brothers. Jazakumullah khair. Barakallah. We need your dua, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair, brothers.
Okay, brother, I have a YouTube channel. I'm going to post this on YouTube. We will talk about this a little bit and give my viewers idea of what's going on in
Brother, this land,
I'm just going to put the
we
video
are.
we use, okay?
Yes, okay. Brothers, we are from East Turkestan. East Turkestan is unfortunately under occupation by China. East Turkestan is at least 2 times of Turkey or 2 times of Pakistan. That much big, like 1.8 million kilometers square. And that land is under occupation by China since 1949. And from that time, they are torturing our people every day. But from last year, they need ethnic cleansing from that land because land is very big. They need our land, and they are killing our people. And then lots of people, many millions of people in concentration camp right now, like Hitler, like before. Today is 21st century. They are doing this, and that's why we are here to ask about the dua from you guys and voice from you guys to the government. We have to say something. Stop. We need stop that dhulm. That's why we are here, brother.
Okay, brother.
Jazakumullah khair.
From what I heard, some families that live in Canada or US, they cannot contact their family back home because of the communication line.
Me, brother, me. I'm 3 years right now. I couldn't talk my mother, my family. I have everybody there. We cannot talk to them. If we talk to them, they're gonna give the hard time. That's why they raise the phone and they cancel the phone. They don't need the phone because if you call them, they're gonna put the jail and they're gonna do everything. That's why we're gonna talk to them. That's why we need voice from the government, from the world government, not just in Canada. From everybody, we need everybody's support. Inshallah, jazakumullah khair. If you are Muslim, non-Muslim, we need your help because these people here, the Uyghur people, millions of people in concentration camp today, because we are owner of that Turkestan land. That Turkestan was the independent country. That's why they need that land forever for Chinese. That land is not Chinese land. That's our land. If we are here, they cannot say this is my land. If you are not there, they said this is my land. That's why they are ethnic cleansing right now. We need your support, inshallah, by dua and by voice in the world, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. Thank you very much. Anybody, any human being can support us. We need support from them, inshallah, by dua, by the voice, inshallah. Jazakumullah
Can you
khair.
talk about these pictures and tell us what these
Brothers,
pictures are about?
this was like before many years, was like few years ago, not just only today. This is halal sign is restricted in China, in our homeland. In the Chinese government restricted that halal sign. If you have like a shop or something, you cannot put the sign halal or haram.
No?
If you put it, they're gonna put you in jail. This is restricted for halal sign. This is namaz, the salat ban. You cannot make salat outside.
No?
Just in masjid was, but today no. In masjid you have to do it. Like if you are like around like outside, if you're making salat, they're gonna put the jail. Yes. And this is the Quran, brothers. Quran is collecting from the people's home. This is sajjada. You have to bring sajjada. And they are like burning the Quran. See, this the imam. This is the mihrab, brother. This is mihrab.
They put the
On top
flag.
of the mihrab, there is the Chinese flag. Why? This is the religious place. This is masjid. This is the home of Allah. They shouldn't put the flag on the masjid. This is the Chinese, brother. If they have the power like United States, they're gonna take all over the world, and they are doing that. They have bad intention. That's why they're doing this. Yes, brother. And this is, as you see, this flag. This is the flag. This is the mihrab of the masjid.
Yeah.
Why they?
Like where we pray now.
Yes. They shouldn't put it. They said you have to like worship to the Chinese government. They said you have to worship. You have to believe to the government. Why? We don't need worship to the government. And we should pray to Allah. And this is our situation, brothers.
The old men they put
Yes,
in the.
this is imam of the masajid, imam of the masjids. They collecting them and they making dancing. It was like few years ago. Right now, all of them in the jail right
Till
now.
now.
This is for a few years ago. From last year, from February or January, they start ethnic cleansing. They putting everybody in concentration camp. They make lots of concentration camp and they put them in the concentration camp. That's why we are here to get your dua, inshallah, and your voice
And awareness
in
in
the world, inshallah. Yes.
I am from Syria and